methods for making violins are hundreds of years old. 3D printing, on the other hand, is still some years from being ready for the mainstream. The recently launched 3D Violin crowdfunded project brings these two technologies together, the result of which is a 3D printed, single-piece no seams or joints to interfere with the sound electric violin based on the model of a real Stradivarius violin. The result is as beautiful as it is outlandish. Made out of a clear plastic resin, the 3D Violin looks more like an alien octopus or a ray gun of sorts, than a musical instrument. The unique look has apparently been chosen for optimal sound wave flow throughout its body. That, combined with the fact that the entire unit is a single piece, allows for a richer, more natural sound, according to the Kickstarter page. The device can be played like an electric violin or as a traditional violin, and boasts of a number of small tweaks that make it, according to its creators, superior to a traditional violin. There's no head on the 3D Violin. Instead, it uses guitar tuning pegs to reduce the weight and simplify tuning the instrument. It's designed to feel like a regular violin though, and fits with any violin shoulder rest, so any violinist should be able to pick up the 3D Violin and play. The pegs are also shifted close to the bass instead of at the neck to reduce the weight, and also shifts the balance closer to the violinist, making the 3D Violin less tiring to play for extended periods. Looking at the 3D Violin page, it looks like an interesting blend of old and new technology, bringing together the fabled Stradivarius design and updating it with various small updates through 3D printing. The whole thing can practically be put together in just about 24 hours. The Kickstarter has so far raised €28,000 roughly Rs. 21 bucks against a target of €50,000 roughly Rs. 38 bucks with 22 days to go before the project ends. It's worth noting that most of the backer pledges are only for things like lessons from French violinist Laurent Bernadotte, the creator of 3D Violin. A €49 roughly Rs. 3,700 will get you a dummy model of the 3D Violin, but you'll have to put in at least €6,299 roughly Rs. 4.75 lakh to get the violin itself. That's a lot higher than you would pay for even a professional electric violin, so this one is obviously just for the collectors. That said, it's certainly an amazing looking piece of technology, and most of the reviews of prototypes we found online are hugely positive, so if you're a movie star or tech millionaire looking for something futuristic to add to your shelves, take a look at the Kickstarter page.